You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your cash tag on Cash App. Now just remember this, you can only change your cash tag 3 times. After you do that, you can no longer change your cash tag. If you still want to change it, you need to visit the office of Cash App, or you need to contact the support of Cash App, and you need to give them a valid reason on why you want to change it again, alright? Otherwise, you have 3 chances. If you want to do more than that, then you can't, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can change your cash tag. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you open your Cash App, and then at the top right corner you can see the profile picture looking icon and click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna open up just like this. Now in order to change your cash tag, at the top you can see the cash tag icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna give you all these options. From over here, you want to choose edit cash tag. Once you click on edit cash tag, your current cash tag is going to be shown over here, so make sure to delete all of that and now enter your new cash tag. And remember, your cash tag needs to be unique to you. If you enter a cash tag over here and another person has used it, then it's gonna say unavailable at the bottom. So Kevin has been taken, so it says Kevin is unavailable, so I can use this. I need to add a unique perk into it so it's different from the normal Kevin. So I'm gonna add random digit over here, and it says it's unavailable, so I'm gonna still add some digit, and it says it's available here, so I can click on set. Once I click on set over here, it's gonna ask me, are you sure you want to do this? If I click and confirm, now I can only change my cash tag 2 times. So I don't want to do it right now, so I'm gonna cancel it, but you have to click and confirm in order for the change to happen, alright? So I'm gonna cancel it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your cash tag name on Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. And remember, after you change your cash tag, inform your friend who's trying to send you money that I have changed my cash tag, because if they send money to the old cash tag, then it's going to be sent to a wrong person. So just keep that in mind.